Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Homelight Agent Matching, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Homelight Agent Matching, start by logging into your Homelight account.
Once logged in, navigate to the Agent Settings section.
Here, you'll see options related to your agent profile. Click on the Agent Matching tab for specific configurations.
Review the current preferences displayed. To change any settings, select the Edit button.
You'll notice several criteria options for matching potential clients. Consider defining your preferred transaction types, such as buying, selling, or renting.
Next, adjust your geographical area settings. You can add or remove specific zip codes or regions that you serve. After defining your areas, focus on the specialization options. Select any additional qualifications or specialties relevant to your expertise. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to find the Save Changes button. Click this button to ensure all your preferences are updated.
Now, review the Additional Information section.
This area allows you to provide more insights about your services and experience.
Keep the information clear and concise to attract the right clients.
After completing all sections, recheck your configurations for any missed details.
Finally, log out and relog in to ensure your changes are active.
You're now ready to enhance your client matching through Homelight.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.